Hi, good morning. In the previous video, means in the previous videos in the classes, we completed about polynomials. What is the polynomial and what are the zeros of the polynomial and how we are going to divide the polynomial with another polynomial. These are all things we have discussed. And today, what we have learnt we are going to check today. Means I have given the worksheet. So now I am going to give one suggestion, children. When you are going to watch this video, please don't simply watch this one. When I write the question on the board, you have to sit with one copy and pen. After watching, means when you see this question, you have to pause the video. Yourself try to do this numerical. Are you able to do or not? Check it. If you are unable to do, again see the process, again do yourself. But simply blindly if you see this video and watching my method, you will feel that it is like that it is like copying only. I don't like that thing. You have to think in your own way. If your thinking way is wrong, don't feel bad, much more time is there. If your thinking way is wrong, no need to think much more. Again you have to think in proper way, you have to get the answer. Is it clear? Okay. Here one question I written, very nice question. This is, if the these all questions, again I am repeating this thing. Don't simply think that Bala sir has taken some 1-2 numericals from the book and he is going to explain. These questions I have taken, I have seen the different boards, including the CBSE. Then I selected some previous question papers. From the previous question papers, I selected some questions. So that questions only I am going to give here. So first question, if the zeros of the polynomial x power 3 minus 3x square plus x plus 1 are a minus b, comma a plus b, find a and b values. This is the question given. So if that question given, how we are going to solve this question, sir? Now first don't get any confusion. What is the given information? Given polynomial I am writing p of x equals to x power 3 minus 3x square plus x plus 1. This is given. Very good. Second thing, what are the zeros given? Sir, zeros are given a minus b, comma a and a plus b. Now again I don't like to repeat it. You should know that what is meant by zeros of the polynomial. Sir, we know that thing. Zeros of the polynomial means, zeros of given polynomial means whatever the value you are going to substitute in the equation, that equation value becomes 0, then that value is called zero of the polynomial. For example, easy language I will explain. Don't worry, you think that sir Bala sir is today this much of angry. Why? Not that much of serious, not angry, but I want to make you serious about the study. That's why only I am doing like this. No, I am always fun with you. So in online class sometimes you will get the bore and some they will get the sleep also. That's why don't worry, I will going to get up you, make a, that's why I will make the fun also. See here, zeros of the polynomial means whatever you take the any one value, 2, 3, 4, 5, some value you have taken, putting in this equation. When you are going to put the value in this equation, if this total equation value is going to becomes to 0, then I am going to say which value you already substituted, that value is called zero of the polynomial. Here zero of the polynomial, what are the values are given? Sir, one is the a minus b, a and a plus b. Then I am writing a minus b, comma a and a plus b. Then next, sir, I know very well which method. What is that method? Sir, first I am going to substitute a minus b in this equation. Then I am going to get the one equation. Sir, next I am going to substitute the a value in this equation. A means in the place of the x I will substitute the a. Then I will get the second equation. I am going to substitute the a plus b in this equation. I will get the third equation. If I am going to solve that three equations, I am going to get the a and b value. Okay, that method also I won't say it is the wrong method. It is 100% perfect method. But when you are going to substituting, getting equations, if you observe clearly, having power is the 3. Then if you substitute the a minus b whole power 3. Here a minus b whole square. Here a minus b. Equation becoming lengthy. Then it takes a much more time. You have to think little bit logically, which is comfortable to us. Goes one, for example, I am going to say a minus b, a and a plus b are 0 of the polynomial. Then any relation, once observe a minus b, a plus b. If I am going to add these three values, suppose a minus b plus a plus b, plus b minus b cancel, a plus a, 3a is becoming. Then I feel that adding is very easy. So now you know very well. I hope you got idea also. Which idea you got? Sir, I am going to use that method is sum of the zeros. You know the formula. Product of the zeros. You know the formula. Then given equation p of x. Compare the p of x. What is the, if you are going to compare with this equation, normal equation, general form is what? A x power 3 plus b x square plus cx plus d. In the place of a, what is there? Sir, in the place of the a, here is nothing is there, sir. Nothing is there means what is there? 1. Very good. In the place of the b, what is there? In the place of the b, minus 3 is there. In the place of the c, what is there? Again, 1 is there, sir. In the place of the d, I am going to write it is a capital because everything I have taken the capital only. So I am going to take here d equals to 1. So now you got a, b, c, d values from the equation you got. Then apply the formula. What is the formula? If alpha comma beta comma gamma are zeros of polynomial, then what is the formula? Alpha plus beta plus gamma, sum of the roots equal to, what's the formula? Sir, we know minus b by a. Very good. Second formula, alpha into beta plus beta into gamma plus gamma into alpha equals to, what's the formula? Sir, minus b by a. This is the c by a. Another one is there, alpha, beta, gamma. If it is required, that also I am going to apply. Now please, what is the in the place of the alpha? In the place of the alpha is there, sir, a minus b. Very good. In the place of the beta, what is there? A. In the place of the gamma, what is there? A plus b. Then substitute here. Then I am going to write a minus b plus a plus b equals to minus. For this is minus, from the formula I have taken. What is the b value? Minus 3, sir. This, whenever you are going to substitute the value, you have to put the bracket, either it is the positive or negative. Why, sir, means, if for example, if it is the positive, there is no effect. If it is the minus, sometimes you will get the confusion. Otherwise, sometimes it is having the two terms. Two terms are there. That's why you will get the confusion. When you are going to substitute one value, you have to put bracket. By minus b completed. By what is there? A. What is the value of a? 1. Very good. Keep there 1. Now see, plus b minus b can be cancelled. A plus a. 3a equals to minus into minus 3 by 1. No need to write. Then take 3 this side. I hope you got a equals to 3 by 3 equals to 1. Very good. You got a equals to 1. I hope you understood now. Why I have selected this method means you felt very easy. Second thing. Now a equals to 1. And if you use this equation, what is going to happen? See it. If you will get the answer, no problem. Otherwise we will use another method. Alpha into beta. What is the alpha value? Sir, a minus b into beta. Beta means a plus beta into gamma. What is meant by beta? Beta is the a, sir. Very good. A into gamma is a plus b, sir. And next one is gamma, a plus b into what is the alpha? Alpha is a minus b equals to, what's the formula? C by a. What is the C value, children? C is the 1. Another one is what? A also 1. Then I am going to write here 1 by 1. 1 by 1 means 1 only. Then once observe, a into a square minus ab, multiply inside. And next one is plus a into a square, a into b plus ab. Very good. This is a plus b into a minus b. You know very well answer. Sir, a square minus b square equals to 1. If it is possible, any cancellation are there, do it. Then I am going to do, sir, here is the a minus ab, this is the plus ab. Then I am going to cancelling plus ab minus ab. Very good. Then how much you got? A square plus a square plus a square. How many a squares are there? 3 a squares are there. Then I am writing 3a square. Next, what is there here? 1 is the b square is there. Minus b square equal to 1. But already a value you know very well. Then I am writing here, but a equals to how much? 1. So 3 into 1 square minus b square equal to 1. Then 3 into 1 square is nothing but 3 minus b square equal to 1. Then your wish, take 3 this side, or 1 this side, b square that side, but that becomes a little bit difficult for you. I have taken 3 is this side. Here having the plus 3. If I take this side, it is going to become the minus 3. Then minus b square equal to 1 minus 3 minus 2. Minus minus get be cancelled, sir. B square equals to 2, sir. B equal to root 2, sir. Is that clear for you? This is the b value. This is the a value. Last finally, therefore a equals to 1 and b equals to root 2. This is the final answer for given question. Okay, we will go to next question. Okay, second question is this one. See children, if the polynomial is given x power 4 minus 6x3 minus 16x square plus 25x plus 10 is divided by another polynomial, means doing the division is x square minus 2x plus k. The remainder comes out, means after doing the division we got remainder. How much we got remainder? X plus a. Then find k and a value. So now I hope you understood. Sir, nothing is there, sir, in this equation. The two polynomials are given. This is the first polynomial, this is the second polynomial. First polynomial is divided by the second polynomial. Then we got, this is the remainder, sir. Then we have to find the value of the k and a. Then do the division. So first I am going to write here. What is the given polynomial? Given polynomial is given p of x equals to x power 4 minus 6 power x power 3 minus 16x square plus 25x plus 10. Hey, did you pause the video or not? Don't copy. Sorry, you have to do first little bit habituated in Hindi, but I am trying to come to English. Please pause the video, try to do yourself, then after only how to see this one. Clear? Okay. Sir, this is the p of x. Divided by whom? This one. Then divided means this is the name of what? Divisor. Divisor means I am going to write another polynomial is g of x equals to writing x square minus 2x plus k. Then what is the remainder? Remainder we know r of x. Remainder should be represented by the small rx polynomial, then equals to x plus a. Then what is the question asked? K equal to how much, sir? A equals to how much? Then first what we will do? We will do the division. Easy method already I explained to you. If you don't know the division of polynomials, please go to the YouTube. Simply click there. Polynomials division by physics Bala sir. You are going to get the polynomials videos. First watch that video, next they come to this one. Without knowing the topic, means without knowing the topic, how you can do this numerical? Clear? Don't feel bad, don't feel angry. I am your friend, always I will think very good about you. That's why don't get any angry. When Bala sir is going to say something, you have to think that he is very best fellow, he always thinks better for me, that's why I have to follow him. Clear? Very good. So now I am doing division. How I am doing the division means like this. I am going to make the division table. Sir, given is the x power 4 minus 6x power 3 minus 16x square plus 25x plus 10. And we have to divide with whom? This is the dividing with x square minus 2x plus k. I told to you easy method. Then if you forgot that one, again I will explain to you. Just observe here. You need what is the value? X power 4. You have how much? X square. Then this value take first. Sir, I am taking the rough I am doing here, children. I am taking here x power 4. What you guys need value means x power 4 you need. That you take and by do this value. X square. Then what is the value? Sir, x square, sir. Then what should be the quotient means right there in the quotient term is the x square. Then simply multiply x square into x square, x power 4 sir. This is the minus, here nothing is there means plus. Plus into minus, minus sir. 2x into x square, 2x power 3 sir. Next plus, here nothing is there, then plus only. K into x square, kx square. Very good. One step completed. I hope you understood. If you didn't understand, little bit take the backward and again watch the step. So now x power 4 I am taking here minus, this is the plus, this is the minus. Subtracting to avoid the x power 4. Our intention is what? I want to cut the all terms. Then minus x power 4 plus x power 4 cancelled. Then what is there? Minus plus. I have to do subtraction. And 6 minus 2 how much? 4 x power 3. Then 6 is the bigger number, this 2 is the small number. Then having this is the minus, that's why I am keeping here minus. Then the second thing is minus and minus, both having the same sign. Then I am going to put here minus 16 minus 16x square minus kx square. Very good. Plus remaining thing is what? 25x plus 10. Remaining things I wrote there. Very good. One step completed. Second one is, next how much you require? Minus 4x power 3 sir. I am going to take minus 4x power 3 you required. Then how much you have here? X square by x square. Then how much you will get? Minus, sir, x square cancels sir. 1x is there. Minus 4x. Then simply write here 4x. No need to think much more. Clear? Then x square into minus 4x. I got minus 4x power 3. Very good. Minus into minus plus 2 into 4 8. X into x, x square. Completed one term. Next one is plus into minus, minus k into 4. 4kx. Then I am writing 4kx. Little bit space is not there. If you get the confusion, again problem, I will rub these things. I will make that is the one nicely for you. This is I am writing, children. This plus 10 is I am writing here plus 10. This is the I removed here minus 4kx. Very good. Minus 4kx. This is the second step also completed. Then now again, sir, both are minus. It is not possible to cut. That's why I am going to plus minus plus. Cancel plus and minus terms. And second thing is, clearly observe, minus 16x square minus 8x square, both having the minus. Then I am going to write here minus 24x square. And next what is there here? Minus kx square. Clear? And next one is plus 25x plus 4kx. I am writing plus 25x plus 4kx plus 10. I hope you are able to see that thing. Very good. Next, sir, 2 terms completed. You are now, which term you have to cancel? Minus 24x square. You have how much? X square. Then minus 24x square, you having the x square. Which term you have to take? X square cancels, sir. Minus 24 I have to take. Then simply take that thing. I am writing here minus 24. Very good. If you take the minus 24 here, again x square into minus 24. Minus 24 x square, sir. Very good. Minus into minus plus. Then plus 2 into 24, 48x, where you have to write. Sir, here also x term is there, here also x term is there, but here k is there. I can't add or subtract. Here 25 plus 48 or 25 minus 48 I can do. That's why I am writing this 48 under the 25. Means 48 plus only na 48x. Very good. Next plus. Plus into minus. Minus, where I have to write, this is the k is the constant, 424 also constant, then I am going to write 24 into k in the place of the constant. This is the 24 minus 24k. Very good. This also thing completed. Then now see, minus minus you can't subtract, then I am going to make plus, and I am going to make here minus, here I am going to make the plus. Once observe children, what you got? This both should be cancelled. Next term is minus kx square. Very good. Next term you got is how much? Minus 48 plus 25. 8 minus 5, 3 are 4 minus 2, 2 are. This is the minus, then x. Very good. Next what is there? Plus 4kx plus 24k plus 10. 24k plus 10. And next try it. Which term we have to cancel? Sir, lastly I have to cancel the term is the minus kx square. Then minus kx square, here what is there? X square is there. Then you have to take here like this. Sir, minus kx square I am having, sir. I am having the term is the x square. Then x square get be cancelled. You have to take which term? Minus k. Then I am going to take, here is the minus k. Clear? Then if you are going to take the minus k, what you are going to get? Sir, x square into minus k square, sir. Very good. Minus into minus plus 2kx plus 2kx, where you have to write. Once observe there children, here 4kx is there na? Here I am writing minus into minus plus, then it is the 2kx na? Plus 2kx. Very good. You wrote there. And next plus into minus, what is there here? K into k square. Again do it. Now I am going to do like this. This is the plus, this is the minus, this is the plus. Plus kx square minus kx square cancel. How much you got? Minus 23x. Very good. And 4kx minus 2kx. 4kx minus 2k. 4k minus 2k, 2k. Then I am writing plus 2kx. Very good. Next, how much is there? This is the 24k plus 24k plus k square plus 10. Last, finally you got this much value. Now we have come to compare the value. How much we got? This I am writing here. That is minus 23x plus 2kx. And next is what is there? Plus 24k plus k square plus 10. This is what? Remainder. By the division we got this is the remainder. But actually remainder is given. What is the remainder is given? X plus a. This equals to x plus a. Then please try to compare. Then how I can compare, sir? It is with very bigger size, or it is a very small size. For that purpose, what I am doing, in where the x is possible to take the common, there you can take the x is the common. You can see, observe here, this are here also x is there, here also x is there. Any more term is there? No, sir. Then I am going to take, if I take x is the common, I am going to get 2k minus 23. Very good. These two terms are completed. Remaining terms, what are they? 24k. K is the constant, 24 is the constant. Plus k square plus 10. This is the second term, equal to x plus a. Compare the coefficient. Sir, here x doesn't have any coefficient, means coefficient is the one. By comparing coefficients, I am writing 2k minus 23. Here x coefficient is 2k minus 23. Here x coefficient is 1. Then equals to 1. Second constant term is what, sir? Second constant term is I am going to take, that is 24k plus k square plus 10 equals to a. Then now please substitute 2k minus 23 equal to how much? 1. Minus 23 take this side. 2k equals to 1 plus 23. Then k equals to 23 plus 1, 24 by 2. 24 by 2 equals to 12. Very good. You got k value. Substitute the k value in this equation. If you are going to substitute k value 12 in this equation, I am going to get a equals to 24 into 12 plus k means 12 square plus 10. Then little bit it is the lengthy, no problem, you can do. 12 4s are 48 are, 12 2s are 24 plus 4, 28 are. Very good. 12 square means 12 12s are 144 plus 10. Then add, children. Now I am going to add 0 plus 4, 4 plus 8, 12. Are you able to see? If you are unable to see, I will write here equals to 2. 4 plus 8, 12. Very good. Then next one is 1 plus 4, 5. 5 plus 8. 5 plus 8 means 13. Then I am writing here 3. 13 plus 1 is there here. Then 14. Then I am writing 4 here. 1. 1 means 1 plus 1. 2 plus 2, 4. Answer is what? 442. Then finally, how much, what you got? The answer is, I am writing here, children, I got k equals to 12 and a equals to 442. This is the method to solve this question. So these type of questions are little bit important for 5 mark question. Please try to solve this question and try to solve these type of questions. Okay. Next question I will take. Okay, next question. Give examples of a polynomials p of x, g of x, q of x and r of x. I hope you can understand. What is meant by the p of x means dividend. G of x means whatever you are going to get the means divisor with whom you are going to divide. Q of x means quotient. R of x means remainder, which is satisfy the division algorithm. And degree of the p of x equal to degree of the q of x, degree of the q of x equal to degree of the r of x, and degree of r of x equal to 0. When you read this type of questions, so little bit we will feel, because these questions are in a theoretical type, then you will get little bit confusion. But in this question only, if you do this type of question, maja means we will feel what? Happiness, activeness. Try to do it. So I am thinking, sir, first I am going to write one thing. Division algorithm means, dividend equals to capital D, dividend equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. In the place of the dividend I am writing, children, p of x equals to divisor is g of x, quotient is q of x, remainder is r of x. they have to, means whatever you will give the examples, your example should satisfy this condition. And one more condition. What is that condition? First I am going to take first one. Degree of p of x equal to degree of the q of x. Very good. So I am going to solve the first question. What is that condition? Degree of p of x equal to degree of q of x. What is meant by this one? Sir, p of x is dividend, q of x is quotient. So little bit I will try, means how we have to do I will explain to you. Just to make the division method one box, means method how we are going to put the brackets, like that I kept one. Dividend means you are going to write here, quotient you are going to write here. Very good. But what is our condition? Degree of the dividend, degree of the quotient. Dividend and quotient both should have the same degree. How it is possible, sir? Simply whatever do you want to like to take, that thing you can take. I am taking here x power 4. If you don't like to take x power 4, x power 5 take, no problem. X power 4. Quotient how much I required? Sir, degree of the quotient also same. Power means, sir, degree means what? Whatever it is having the power, it should also have the same power. Then if I write x power 4, I am here also writing x power 4. Sir, if you want x power 4 here x power 4, then by which thing you are going to divide, sir? Means whatever you want to divide. For example, I am going to dividing with 1. Sir, dividing with 1 is not happy, sir. Then I am going to take, sir, I will divide with 2. If I divide with 2, I am keeping here 1 2. Again see here, this 2x power 4 by 2. 2 get be cancelled. What you are getting? X power 4 only. Then now I am getting 2x power 4 plus x power 4. Something if you write the big size, then I will put the something number here. Any number you can put 3. Then I am writing here, what is the polynomial? Means dividend. P of x equal to 2x power 4 plus 3. Don't get confusion why he has taken only 2x power 4 plus 3. You can take simply x power 4 also, no problem. That's why I am giving examples. This is the one example I completed. I am writing second example is x power 4. And third example I am writing x power 5. Like the x power 6. Whatever you can write. You can write so many examples. In p of x is this much. What is the quotient? Here q of x. In this case I am taking x power 4. Once observe, degree 4, degree 4. Very good. In this case also I am taking x power 4. Then I am dividing with whom? Dividing with 1. If I take here x power 5, then I am dividing with what? 1. If I am dividing with what? 1. Then both you write the same value, same polynomial, answer will be, your answer is correct. Clear? Very good. Second one is C. Second one is degree of the quotient and degree of the remainder be same. Now little bit you have to think here. What is the second question, children? Degree of quotient equal to degree of remainders are. Then simply like that only make the first trial. Then what do you need? Quotient means here you are going to get, remainder means you are going to get here. Both should have the same, very good, same degree. Then I am writing like this. Sir, remainder is generally going to get the small thing. But degree having or not? Degree is having. Then I am going to take is the x. Small number I have taken. Otherwise if I take x power 3, x power 4, again thinking should be more. That's why I have taken here x. Then here also you required how much? Sir, quotient also x. Then for example I am going to take here x is there. If for example I am dividing with x. X. Why I have taken I will explain to you. Sir, x into x how much? X square. Sir, x square completed. Clear? X square completed. Plus some anything you can write the 2. but you will get the one confusion. Sir, x is there, again I will do plus 1 and x 1 x z be cancelled. Not satisfied. Then our trial and error method is gone wrong. So I am going to take here one more thing. Try to observe. X square. Here I am going to take trying only x power 3. Then I am writing here x square. Please see. Is it possible? Sir, x into x square, x power 3. Then x power 3 is the cancel, sir. Then I am going to get 2 I am going to get, sir. Then it is not equal to the quotient degree, and this degree is not equal. Then what I have to do, sir? Okay, we will do like this. Sir, getting confusion means I will do like this. Sir, x power 3, this need here and here is the both are the same. Then I am going to take here is the x, here is the x. Now what happened? Sir, x both got completed. Then I am going to take x square here. X square into x power 3. Very good. Then I am going to put here any value you can write. 1, 2, 3 something you can write. X power 3 get be cancelled. Then I required here x. Then I am going to plus 1 plus x or simply x plus 1. Then it is x plus 1. Now power of this is how much? 1. This is the power is how much? 1. So now we are getting what? This is the quotient power is the 1, sir. This is also degree is the 1, sir. Then this is the example. If you get the confusion, again I will explain. How we will do, sir, means see logic. I am telling like this. You required division. Very good. Remainder you required. Remainder I am going to take x square I have taken. Simply one polynomial I have taken. If it is x square means this also how much? X square. If I take any term smaller than to this one, it can divide this one. That's why I am taking bigger size. Bigger size means more than x square I am taking x power 3. X power 3 unable to divide the x square because it is a small power, it is a big power. Then x power 3 into x square is how much? Sir, x power 5 plus x square. Whatever you taken here, this you write here. Then if you multiply x power 3 into x square, x power 5 sir, minus sir, cancel sir, remainder is how much? X square. Now quotient degree is how much? 2. Remainder quotient degree is how much? 2. Then I am writing q of x equal to x square, and r of x also how much I have taken? X square. P of x how much I have taken? X power 5 plus x square. Can you try one more? Okay, we will try like this. Shall I rub this one? Otherwise I will do here. I am taking like this. Sir, remainder how much I have taken means x. If you take the remainder is the x, it should be more than x, then x square. Then I am writing here, sir, here also you required x only. X square into x, x power 3 plus here you need x only, that's I am keeping here x. Then second example I am writing example 2. What I am writing? P of x equal to x power 3 plus x, and q of x equal to x square, and another one is what? R of x. Q of x equal to, sorry, this is the x only, r of x equals to x. This is the second example. And next one is, third one also we have to do, degree of r of x equal to 0. Degree of r of x equal to 0 means that should be the constant term. Third one I am doing here, children. Degree of r of x equal to 0. How we can do? You have to divide any polynomial with another polynomial, but you require the remainder is how much? 0. 0 means remainder is not 0. Power of the remainder means degree of the polynomial means you should get the constant term. Any term you can write here. Simply I am writing 2. Here I am writing x square plus 2. I am dividing with x square. 1 plus x square 1 is x square. X square into nothing is there here. Then you are going to get the remainder is 2 only. Then I am going to write this is the what you are going to write? Sir, quotient remainder r equal to 0 means I have taken by x square Sorry, if you get the confusion, I will do x square into 1 x square. Very good. More term is not there. Then minus. Then remainder is the 2 correct only. Then I am going to say P of x equal to x square plus 2. Q of x equal to x square. I hope you are able to see. And R of x equal to 2. Like this, you can write so many examples for this question also. Okay. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please try to share with your friends.